We are at Walt Disney World's Magic Kingdom in Orlando, Florida, and about to go on the many adventures of Winnie the Pooh. In this video, you're going to see the entire ride from start to finish. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to this channel so you get more content like this. And comment below with the Disney ride you would like to see next.
One day in Hundred Acre Wood, the East Wind traded places with Winnie.
For food. If you ask me, he'll never reach that dream.
Honey! Honey! Oh dear! Hang on tightly, Roo! Look, Mama, look!
Come bounce with me. Bouncing makes you feel just great, doesn't it? Follow me, right this way. I almost bounced right out of the ride.
Hey, look, it's moving!
Watch out for Heffalumps and Woozles. They steal honey. Steal honey.
Heffalumps and Woozles, steal honey. You'll find that they love it because they know so much they rise.
Very big waterfall!
Last the rain went away, and everyone gathered together to say,
Hooray!
Hooray for Pooh, too. Start the party without me.
And that is the many adventures of Winnie the Pooh ride at Disney's Magic Kingdom. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel. As always, thank you for watching.